Close your eyes and let your breath find its own rhythm, like a raga finding its home note. In this changing season of your body, when hormones shift like monsoon winds and your reflection seems to whisper different stories, there is something unchanged in you. Breathe in deeply. And as you do, feel for that steady flame that has flickered through every season of your life. The one that giggled at childhood jokes, dreamed impossible dreams, loved fiercely, weathered storms. Your body is writing new verses. Yes, your energy may ebb and flow like tides, but the essence of who you are, that bright thread that runs through every memory, every triumph, every tender moment, remains unbroken. Place one hand on your heart. Feel that steady drumbeat. This is your anchor, not what others see, not what the mirror reflects, but this knowing that you are still the same soul who has always lived in this precious vessel. You are still you, deeper now, wiser now, more yourself than ever before. Let this breath carry that truth into every cell. Stay with yourself.